Can it see me?
Yeah.
Okay. No, I'm not on camera. I'm gonna mess up. Okay. I told you I'm gonna mess up.
You know how to juggle.
I learned in elementary school.
Oh. See, I don't know how to juggle. This is my best at juggling. All right,
Oops.
guys.
Oh.
Today we're talking about the Hollyland Lark M1. Ugh, I forgot it over there. The Hollyland Lark M1. These microphones are super great. If you've watched my past videos, these past couple weeks, we've been using them. So far, they're pretty good. I would say, what would you say?
I like them. I feel like because we film together and I tend to wander off, it really works well picking up both of our voices.
Yeah. I typically have this on the inside, facing inward, only because the lights on the transmitter and the receiver, they're freaking bright. So I cover them with tape, or with these, I put them on the inside so it's not shining through my shirt. And that's pretty much one of two cons I have with this microphone. That being the first one, which is the lights are really bright. But I mean, at least you know you're recording and you know they're on.
Yeah.
So it's not too much of a con.
But if you're in a darker place, it's like, it's in your face.
If it's, Ooh, it's bad. The second con, we'll just do cons first.
Mm-hmm.
You can't really tell what volume setting you're on. It's either low, medium, high, but it doesn't indicate which one you're on. You just have to mash the button to the very high level, and then push it down once to know you're in the medium, or vice versa, mash it down to a very low level, and then push it once up to know if you're in the medium.
Yeah.
And the third one is there's no input for a wired lavalier mic, but I can do without that one because I don't typically need to have something like that. But that's more of a nice to have. So kind of 2.5 cons, which is the lights, volume settings, and no input for a lavalier mic.
Yeah.
Other than that, the rest are pros. So I mean, it sounds pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
The dead cats work really well. I would say without a dead cat, it works well for the most part. It can get, if you're in a windy area, it will pick it up.
Yeah.
It won't be like too bad, but
It picks up all the little sounds too, so it can kind of get a little overwhelming.
yeah, so that's why dead cats just have them on all the time.
Yeah.
Another pro, it is very small. Fits perfectly on almost anything.
Yeah.
I guess another nice to have would be if it was like the DJI mics where it's magnetic instead of just being a clippy. But again, that's a nice to have. But other than that,
I think it's pretty convenient based on like his old microphone. Anytime we talk, we'd always have to make sure it was flipped towards us, otherwise it wouldn't pick anything up. Whereas this, we don't have to worry about that, and it picks up voices like if you're not wearing it. And I was about this far, it would still pick up my voice. So very good sensitivity and
yeah,
just convenient all around.
and the battery life on these things are like 8 hours
Yeah.
for both mics and the
Receiver. Transmitter.
And you get 2 charges off of this, so it's basically like a full 24 hours of
Charge.
which is really awesome. And I think now we're gonna get to some testing. So
Yeah.
it says it's rated for 200 meters, but however, some previous testing we realized that like if it's a clear pathway to the receiver,
It picks it up pretty well.
yeah. If it's a clear pathway to the transmitter and receiver, then it picks it up really well. She only went about like 60 feet, and along the way she was turned away from it.
And it was very like,
Yeah, it wasn't awful, but it was a little robotic. Like if I turn around right here and I'm this far from the camera, you can pretty much hear me just fine. But the farther you go, it can get interrupted.
Yeah.
But as long as I'm facing the camera,
it sounds wonderful.
it sounds pretty good. I don't know why he would ever be this far from the camera, but in a vlog setting, that is. I get it if you're actually filming and stuff like that, but here, let's turn this around.
What you doing?
All right, keep going.
Okay. I'm walking, I'm walking, I'm walking. It was mushy over here.
Oh, well, go as far as, you know, it's not mushy.
It's mushy, I'm walking back. But can you hear me? Can you hear me? Testing, testing. And I walk back.
Yeah, she's probably about 30 feet away over there,
Yeah.
so. Pretty good.
It like rained all day yesterday, so it's all mushy.
Ew. Gross. All right, turn the camera back around. All right, but do we have anything else to say about this thing? I love how small it is. I mean, it comes with this. Oh, what it comes with. So obviously you get your case. It also comes with another case. It's really small around it. It comes with obviously the two microphones, the receiver. It comes with.
Did it come with the dead cats?
Yes, it came with a dead cat. It also comes with 2 different cables, one for your camera, one for your phone. And obviously, a cool thing about the phone one is, especially for the iPhone, right? iPhones don't have any more jacks. But as long as you have the adapter, you're good. Just plug that in, plug it into your phone, and it works.
Yes.
Anything else?
It's like travel friendly because of the size. That's a plus because we like to do a lot of traveling videos.
That's true. Oh, the biggest thing, price, right? So with all that, it's $150. However, I've seen it gone on sale twice. One like 35 with some coupons. For Black Friday, I saw it go down to $100. So this is fairly cheap for what you get and for the quality as compared to other brands. With the DJI, it's $329 for that stuff, which you have some really great nice halves on the DJI, but for less than half the price of that, you get, you know, a good deal. So yeah, I guess that's our quick little review of it. Should we do a running test? How well does it sound running?
Yeah.
Let's flip this around.
You got the doggy worked up.
Come in.
Come in. Come here.
Come here.
Come here, see boy.
Hey, come in. Hey. All right. Well, I don't know how that sounded like, but I'm sure it sounded just fine. Thanks for watching this one, and we'll update you on any more new gear that we get along the way.
Yes.
So, peace everyone.
Good job, Comet.